I'm Anusha again from the General Course. So one thing I've enjoyed this year is that LSE and the General Course have put on so many events for us, some of which are subsidized events, completely subsidized, and some of which we get a discount on. So some of the subsidized events have included a boat party where we got to go on a boat on the Thames River for a night, which was really fun. We've had an alumni event with General Course alumni, just getting to hear from them about their experiences. And we also had a bowling night with the General Course where LSE basically rented out a bowling place for us, and we got to do bowling. There was table tennis, pool, there's food and snacks and drinks and all of that just for us to enjoy one evening. And I also was able to talk to a few of the other General Course students about their experience with LSE and their social highlights of the year so far.
Favorite parts about being at LSE and the General Course would be being able to join the societies. So I was able to join the Congress Society as well as the Economic Society, so definitely recommend those.
I've had a really great time at LSE this year. I've met lots of people from lots of different countries. I get to live with them as well. It's a great experience. I'd recommend it to anyone.
The General Course has a president and then also a social committee through that plans a lot of these events for the General Course students, and I think they've done a really great job this year because the events have been so fun, they've been really well attended, and we've all really enjoyed our experiences. So I would definitely recommend, if you are an incoming General Course student or if you're thinking about the General Course, definitely come to a lot of these events and get involved because you'll meet so many new people and it'll be a nice break from school. Just have some fun one night.